And Dubey to show that maturity and take the game till the end.
Too many Borivali boys from Mumbai playing in today's game. Tested you early on.
Yeah, absolutely. A lot of these guys we played cricket together. But I'm very happy to see them their progress in cricket as well. Last year we saw them play in MLC as well. So they're going from strength to strength, and I can hope nothing but the best for them. They're hardworking guys, but yeah, they're making their mark here in US.
Now, as a bowling unit, you'll be very happy with the way the 3 games have gone, how everyone has stepped up to the plate.
Yeah, absolutely. I think we knew that bowlers have to take the lead. We know run scoring is difficult on this pitch. But again, all the bowlers did the job. Particularly Arshdeep, the way he started off was magnificent.
And Shivam Dube, he rolled his arm over today. That makes a difference with the balance, doesn't it?
Yeah, absolutely. I think that is something we want. We want options with us. And as in when we feel like we can use them, we should be able to use them. And today I thought we could use them. The pitch had something in it. But yeah, again, all I want is to have options moving forward.
And 3 out of 3 means you're into the Super 8. That's a big relief.
Yeah, absolutely. I think it is a big relief. Playing cricket here wasn't easy. It could have been anyone's game. All the 3 games that we played, you have to really stick to the end and take the game as deep as possible. Luckily for us, we managed to pull through in all 3 games, and we can take a lot of confidence from victory like this.
Now, he's one of the best T20 players in world cricket, Surya Kumar Yadav.